The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello little champs, what's up? You know, it's raining and today we are going to discuss about the rain. Okay, I think now you can't see the rain. I'll show you, and after that let's go to the topic. Okay, yes, come on.
Hey, see, it's raining heavily now. Do you see that? Yes.
Yes, it's raining. How do we say it's raining in different ways? Let's learn. And for that, I need the help of 6th D students. Are you ready? Yes. First, we will start with heavy rain. How to describe heavy rain? Okay, yes. The first expression is, it's raining cats and dogs. Now, Adityanji, tell me a sentence with it's raining cats and dogs. Adityan says, it's raining cats and dogs outside. Yes, so simple. It's raining cats and dogs outside. Okay, Adityan asks me, teacher, what does it mean? Yes, I expected this question from you. Actually, this is an idiom, which means it's raining heavily. Oh, is it, teacher? Okay, so it's raining cats and dogs outside? Yes, that's it, Adityan. The next expression is, it's pouring or it's pouring down. Abhinav Chandran, tell me a sentence with this. Abhinav Chandran says, it's pouring outside, it's pouring down outside. Yes, you're right, Abhinav. And also you can say, it's pouring it down out there, or it's pouring rain outside. You have many expressions with this. Okay, yes. So Abhinav Chandran repeated, it's pouring outside, it's pouring it down outside, or it's pouring rain outside, it's pouring down out there. Yes, you are right. Let's move on to the next expression. The heavens opened. Okay, Abhinav Raj, tell me a sentence with this. Abhinav Raj says, I was going to play with my friends. The heavens just opened. Wow, Abhinav Raj, that was different. Nice. Okay. I was going to play with my friends. The heavens just opened. Yes. When we say suddenly it started raining, we say the heavens just opened or the heavens opened. Yes. Okay, Abhinav, thank you very much. Yes. And the next expression is, it's chucking it down. Yeah. Now, Al-Sabit, tell me a sentence with this. Al-Sabit says, it's chucking it down outside. Yes, it's chucking it down outside. Okay, Al-Sabit, thank you. Yes, and the next expression is, it's tipping it down. It's tipping it down. Okay. Now, Abhinav KB, tell me a sentence with this, Abhinav KB. Abhinav says, it's tipping it down out there. Yes, you're right. It's tipping it down out there. Okay. The next expression is, it's bucketing down, or it's bucketing it down. Okay, yeah. Now, Abhisha, tell me a sentence with this. Abhisha says, I didn't take my umbrella with me. It's bucketing down outside. Wow, that's right. I didn't take my umbrella with me. It's bucketing down outside. Yeah. When it rains heavily, if we don't take our umbrella, yes, it's really hard to manage the situation, Abhisha. We were discussing about heavy rain. What are the expressions? It's raining cats and dogs, it's pouring down, it's bucketing down, the heavens opened, it's chucking it down, it's tipping it down. Many expressions. That was really interesting, right? Okay, let's move on to light rain. Okay, so how do we describe light rain or a little bit of rain? Okay, yes. The first expression is, it's trying to rain. It's trying to rain. Okay, now Adulsi, hey, take an umbrella with you. I think it's trying to rain. Yes, Adulsi, it's right. Take an umbrella with you. I think it's trying to rain. Okay, that's nice. And next expression is, it's spitting. Spitting. Okay, it's spitting. So Kavya, tell me a sentence with this. It's spitting outside. Yes, you're right. It's spitting outside. Okay, and the next expression is, it's drizzling. Okay, Lakshmi Das, tell me a sentence with this. I think I need to take an umbrella with me. It's drizzling outside. Yes, you're right. It's drizzling outside. Okay, and the next expression is, it's light showers. It's light showers. Now, Pramad Devi Shankar, tell me a sentence with this. It's light showers here. Yes, you're right. It's light showers here. Okay, and light rain is also over. We have discussed about how to describe light rain, like it's trying to rain, it's spitting, it's drizzling, it's light showers. Yes, yeah. And there are two different expressions, which is not like heavy rain or light rain. It is actually different from all these. See, sometimes the rain starts and stops. That we can say it's raining on and off. Okay, now Nived, yes, tell me a sentence with that. Hey, what's happening? It's raining on and off. Yes, Nived, you're right. So what's happening? It's raining on and off. Yeah, okay, it's like switch, starts and stops. Okay, sometimes, when the wind blows, it rains sideways. That we can say it's raining sideways. Okay, sideways. Yeah. Now Mahit, tell me a sentence with this. Mahit says, oh my god, it's raining sideways. I'm not able to hold my umbrella. Yes, Mahit. Wow, that was nice. Okay, and what are the last two expressions? It's raining on and off. It's raining sideways. Okay, how was that? That was really interesting, right? Yeah, now it's time for the tip. See, think in English. Think in English. I mean, when you see something, when you see a lizard, we usually think in our mother language. We think Palli, right? Instead you start thinking in English. Oh, there's a lizard. lizard. Okay? And when you see this, suddenly what do you think in your mind? Katti? No. Think knife. Okay? Yeah. And when you see this, suddenly you think kuppi. Stop that. Start thinking bottle. Bottle. And what is inside? Vellam? No. Water. You got it? And when you feel hungry, oh, Vishakunnu. Don't think like that. You think, oh, I'm really hungry. You understand? So start thinking in English. When you see something, think in English. When something is happening, think in English. Okay? Yeah. And when you think in English, your English will gradually improve. Okay, yes. Let's see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.